Right, gang, we're back at my mate Paulie's, and let's go through the comedy of errors, eh? Things are a little different this time round. And there's the tunnel ram. Now, I'm not sure exactly what the issue is here because I haven't actually checked into it, and Paulie's done all this work himself. I'm just doing the fine sort of shit. But for some reason, it took on a whole heap of water into the sump, and Paul told me that he actually bent up the inlet manifold gasket. So now we're on we've got the Victor Junior going on here with the 660, 1660, and we've had it running. And it doesn't sound real bad. It's not real lumpy. Not as lumpy as some, you know, as we'd like it to be, crazy mother thumper style thing. But I've timed it. Got the carb dialed in, and as you know, we're just sort of temporary doing things for the minute till he gets his wiring all sorted out, because this is Paulie's project, and the whole idea of me coming in and helping him out is to show him what happens and where to set things up. See you, bud. Yep, no worries, mate. And you too. And so that's the deal behind this. Is Paulie's project, not mine, so I'm only doing the engine stuff. But here we go. We'll just give her a tap and away she'll go. As I say, it's not very lumpy. But that's alright. It should be pretty snappy. Of course, we've got to have full advance on that, so because there's no vacuum advance or mechanical, so we've got that going, but so that's pretty cool. Looks like I might need a little more water in the radiator, but look at that. But so that one goes. Yeah, it was running super lean, and I had to think to myself when I went home, maybe that manifold's pulling air in from underneath, because when we originally started it up, it ran pretty decent. I gave it a couple of revs, and you know, one at a time, everything went off, and I thought the plugs were the issue, because you know, we didn't expect the manifold to be the issue. It was new gaskets, blah blah blah. But anyway, so that's the deal. That's what happened with that one. So it's going to have the Victor Junior, the air gap manifold on it there, with that spacer, and that 660 centre squirter. So that's in case there's a few guys out there. I know petrol heads will know what they are. It's a centre squirter essentially. If you have a look down there, I'll see if I can get it on there. It squirts out both sides. Squirts out this side, squirts out this side. But it only has one pump, see that? It only has one pump. Yeah, and no pump on the other side. So it has no power valve either. So it's made for a low vacuum engine, manifold vacuum engine. So. But yeah, so there it is, and probably not what everyone was expecting to see, but it runs now, and that's all that matters. So have yourselves a good one.